words that goes through the ears but also penetrates through the third eye and influences your subconscious. It's very आइदिन्छ रामको कुरा गर्दाखेरि रावणको पनि छवि आइदिन्छ हैन
हामी यसबाट sitting or standing.
And L stands for leaning or active listening. E stands for eye contact, and most importantly, the foundation, relaxation. जुन इमेज तपाईले उसको सबकन्सियस माइन्डमा प्रोजेक्ट गरिराख्नु भएको छ त्यो इमेज ब्लर हुनु भएन. थ्यांक यू. अब यो हात पनि मुभमेन्ट आउनु पर्यो के तपाईको हैन. It's very stable. The first gesture that I demonstrated was this. Everyone, can you do this? Yes. So this is called the Hakini Mudra. Let's begin with the paper. Yeah, your posture. Okay, so when your hands are down, it's dominating. हाम्रो handshake को नै concept लाग्छ. When you are sitting like this, this is very dominating. मेरो कुरा हुनुपर्छ. If you can trust me. So this evolutionary instinct sparks up even today. So तपाईको हात देखिन्छ भने open. तपाईको हात देखिन्छ भने
यसले यसो गरेर उ अर्कै धुनमा लाग्छ भने त्यतिखेर आफुलाई नराम्रो महसुस हुन्छ. त्यो प्रत्येक व्यक्तिमा भएको हुन्छ. तर त्यसलाई अनुभव गर्नुपर्छ.
अनुभव अलिक सेन्सिटिभ अलिकति अवेयर हुनुभयो भने नाउ अलिकति आध्यात्म जोडौँ है त ह्यान्डसेकसँग. प्राय म नमस्कार गर्न रुचाउँछु तर कसैले हात बढाइहाल्यो भने हैन सरी म त नमस्कार गर्छु नमस्ते गर्छु. द्याट वुड बी एरोगेन्ट हैन त. एउटा इन्सल्ट जस्तो हुन्छ नि त. You have to extend your hand. हात मिलाउनु पर्छ. But then sometimes कसैसँग हात मिलाउँदाखेरि have you ever felt that your energy has drained? कसैसँग हात मिलाउँदाखेरि अलिकति negative vibes. Now there are a few things that we need to understand. हात मिलाउँदाखेरि अनुहारमा हेर्ने हो आफ्नो हातमा हैन. For example, I noticed यता फर्किनुस् हामी तपाईहरु एकअर्काको हातलाई हेरिराख्नु भएको थियो. We need to understand that we need to look at the face. Yata हेर्नुस्. Nice. Right? Okay. And अनिवार्य झुक्नु पर्छ. Or else maybe हाम्रो इगोले नदेला म भन्दा कान्छो छ म किन. Why should I bow down to someone who is younger to me? My face is beautiful and relaxed. My face is beautiful and relaxed.
My face is beautiful and relaxed.
My mind is healthy and relaxed. And relax र आँखा बन्द गर्नुस् सबैजना. यो व्यक्तिले यो विद्यार्थीले कतिवटा शब्द जानेको छ कतिवटा शब्द खेलाउन जानेको छ वाक्य बनाउन जानेको छ कि छैन. But then the psychological fact is we are able to only express 3% through words. Matra